Hi Jay, share your screen. Jay, I cannot hear you.
Yeah, sorry, 1 second. I'm just
Okay.
um, that should be working now.
Yes.
So I'd done more, but I deleted it and I ended up like corrupting the files basically once I'd done it. But basically, what I wanted was it centralized around like a what's it called? Like a daily to-do list, basically. Like a tick sheet where you can tick off once you've done things. Um, I live away in my van when I go and work, you see, sir. So I need to be as effective with my time as possible. I'm sure you can make it look fancy in different backgrounds, whatever it may be, but I just need it to be resourceful and useful. I know it can do so many different things, which is what I want to incorporate, but really it's just about my daily routine being exceptional. So I wanted the sort of mission HQ sort of thing to be made around that, if that makes sense.
Yes, Jay, at this time you have just collect the data through ChatGPT and put here. So
Yeah.
I am using Notion last 4 years and deliver 300 plus client Notion template. So
Okay.
definitely, yeah, I can help you to build your complete Notion system with dashboard, etc. If you want to see my other template how they look, so I can show you through screen sharing.
Yeah, no worries. I
Okay.
did see some on your profile. I'm more than happy to go forward with you. I just wanted to um make sure it's like bespoke, if you know what I mean, because there's so many. I'm getting lost in it. It would take me so long to make this tool a tool, if that makes sense. That it would be good to have someone that knows what they're doing, like yourself.
Mhm. Yeah, Jay, at this moment you have set up the everything in private section in Notion. So first of all, you should share all, then invite me in your Notion. Then I
Okay.
will review this whole system. Then I will build this your system within 4 days.
Okay, no worries. So should I, because currently what I've got on here now isn't everything. Should I upload everything, or should I maybe just send you a few of the files I've got maybe directly to you so you can have a look through them so you get an idea
Yeah, you can send me all information in Google Doc.
in Google Docs. Okay.
Yeah.
Um, can I? So wait there, so I know on Google Docs. Yeah.
Yes, like create new Google Docs and put all information that you want to build in Notion.
Okay.
Yes.
And can I have a look at your? Have you got your some templates there? Did you say?
Like you want to show my template that I have built previous.
Yes, if possible.
Okay, no problem. That is possible. Why not? I am going to share my screen and show you 300 plus Notion template that I have built for my client. Can you see my screen?
Yes, yes, I can see you. See.
Okay, and look this one, mission control dashboard. So client send me all information in Google Docs, then I set up it in Notion. So here we can see like a graph view, etc. If we are using paired Notion account. This
Mm-hmm.
one, this live operation system. If I open this one, So here is the like a home section,
Yeah.
then is
Yeah.
the navigation section, like here is the company HQ, click here, so see company HQ pages, then databases, then finance operation, then product growth, then people automation, etc. Then here is the active project will be show here, two-day task will be show here, monthly subscription will be show here. Here I have attached the filter formula section, active ticket will be show here, monthly cash flow overview show here, task calendar will be shown here. So if I open in one page like this one project, so when I open this project, so here you can see like project name, status, assigned, start date, due date,
Hmm.
budget, file, etc. So if I show you other agency HQ and other, so you can, like this is the other agency HQ template. First of all, here is the instruction like how you can use this Notion template, then home section, then these are pages, HQ, navigation bar section, these one. Here is the quick action like button. If you want to add new idea, you just need to click here
Yeah. Yeah.
and open the page in the side. So
Okay.
if I open this one, the HQ board, so when I open the HQ board, so HQ board information will be shown here like SOP, library, agency, and lead tracker, for more. So if I want to go back in any page, like here I can click any page. If I want to go back in the home section, I just need to click here in the home button,
Yeah.
so I will go back. So this is
That's great.
overview.
That's great. That is. That's
Yeah, don't worry. I will build your complete Notion template that you are expecting with live support, live your Q&A section. When you have any question, when you need further changes, I will provide you.
that's amazing. Thank you so
Yeah.
much. That's yeah, I'd be happy to work with you. And also just another thing I was going to add. Obviously you're doing this as a profession now. Have you thought about ways of you expanding to say the European market?
Don't worry. After review your information, then I will suggest you if we think like we can change, update something.
No, no, no. I mean, sorry. I mean for yourself. I mean, I hope you can understand me clearly. My last year, my maths tutor, she was from Islamabad, and one second, and basically, if you could get paid the normal premium we get paid in the UK, for example, you could make some very good money on this because if you can customize this as well as you have been doing, this is extremely good for a lot of people. We struggle with um, organization, etc. You know, so I'm saying that if you were sat in England as an example, doing the same thing for clients, you could charge a very high premium. Um, just food for thought. I hope. Did you understand what I said then, Ahmad?
Yes, I understand. Uh, By the way, here I am settled, so my mostly client is for American, US client. So I am happy, I am good earning here in dollars.
Good, 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 good.
Yes,
Okay, makes sense. I
yes,
actually went to. I've never been to Pakistan, but I went to India in March. I went to Gujarat near a place called Vadodara in Gujarat, not far from the Pakistan border. But my dream is one day to go to the fairy meadows in
Inshallah,
northern Pakistan.
most welcome every time in Pakistan.
Yeah, no, appreciate that.
Okay,
No, yeah,
so
it's good food. Thank you so much, people. Anyway, yeah, sorry for taking time. So listen, yeah. So what's my best way of contacting you now? That's is it easier for you to stay away from that app? Like, I can contact you directly through
uh,
Gmail if you'd like.
uh, Jay, you can send me message on WhatsApp if you feel comfortable.
What? That's not a problem, sir. No problem.
Okay, share me your WhatsApp number in chat. I will send you message.
I can just do it on the this chat here, or oh, here, got you. Video. Um,
Then next process that send me Google Doc. I will review it. Then I will share my further, and then we will start it.